Guys, do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
What was the examples we have seen in the previous class? These are all the two, right? Hiding fields, calling a form from other form. Now, third one here is change LOV, list of values. LOV means here list of values. This LOV will modify. You already aware of P2P cycle, correct? In this payments entry payments. So this LOV will modify. We can hide some values or we can show some values. Modification of LOV means here. Okay, first we should know the form name behind this. And then LOV name. These are all we have to check. So first step here is what it is. We need to go to about Oracle applications, form name to identify the form name. Guys, is it recording? Now,
Yes, sir.
form path it is. See, FMX means it is a compiled one. It is FMX compiled already. If you want to modify something or if you want to download something, FMX is not allowed here. Okay, we have to use FMB. FMB means form module binary. FMX means it is executable one. It is. But anyway, with the same name and at least name we need to identify. APX PAWKB. This is the name of the form. But all FMBs will be available into AU top, not AP. AP is only FMX. It may be a receivable form or general ledger form, whatever the module it is. A single directory that is AU. AU directory we have to go. But till here it's common. Till here. Okay, application directory, Oracle, Vision, file system. These are all you know already, correct? Okay, go. Win SAP. Application server. AU. Okay, AU top it is. And then forms. Forms you can use. US. So all the FMBs. Okay, FMB, it is wrong here. Someone has taken FMB capital letter is wrong. Okay, all FMBs from all modules. We are having more than 280 modules, right? All 280 modules FMBs here only available. The directory name is what it is? AU directory. Now, what is your form? It is right now. Form name. APX PAWKB. This is your form. First step is this one only. So your control F will not work here. APX PA. Continuously, if you type without giving gap, automatically it will identify. This is the one. APX PAWKB. This is the FMB. We are not modifying, but we are trying to understand what is the LOV behind this. Go. This one correct? Make sure whether you are downloading the same or not. Otherwise, it will be time waste. Download. Okay. Now this is the FMB form module binary. FMX means form module executable. That's a compiled one. Now go with the form builder here. Like report builder, this is a form builder also available here. Nowadays, people are fully focusing on OA framework if it is a new requirement, but still forms also you should know what is block, what is, these are all you can see, right? We'll see one day how to develop a form. One form is enough, okay, because form is not that much easy also. Basic form you can easily develop. Now open this particular form. Forget about this here. Fail to load, some dependencies actually required. These are all dependencies. Whatever the errors comes, that is not a matter for us. Usually we have to connect it to control J, apps, VIS, will connect it. And after connecting it, we'll open it. Okay. Now, any to check Shift Control K, that is for compilation, but still there are so many errors. These are all errors are there. These are all based on the dependencies. But right now we are not worried about all this, how it is designed, what are the APIs, how many built-ins are there. These are all not required for us at all. Okay. Now let's see first. Form name we downloaded. Now next is block name. Yeah. Go to diagnostics, examine. It will block name. Pay some folder it is. We are talking about only this LOV. If you go to other LOVs like site, this LOV will different. Okay, I am talking about only type LOV for type made. Form name. Next word is block name. Block name is examine. Pay some folder. Okay. Now this will be on a payment type field. Field name. And there is a record group here. Record group. So first block name you can go. Block name. So that block is comes under data blocks. Open. Check here. This one, right? Pay some folder. Expand this. We are talking about field name, that is item. Which item it is? Item. Payment type. You have to check payment type it is. You can find if you are not able to go. Right. Okay. Payment type. Payment type. Search here because there are so many fields are there, right? So make a habit here searching. Anyway, it is appearing here luckily. Now expand this. These are all the triggers already written. Then press F4. Come down. This is the list of values. List of values it is. Pay valid payment types. So I need to type this. Pay valid payment types. Here. After field name, what is the next thing? LOV name. Pay valid payment types. Now record group I need to identify for this. Record group will have a query behind that. Now I need to minimize this. Check record group here. This is the one. First we'll create a record group and then we'll attach to a field. Record group contains the select statement. Because of the select statement only, it will give you the values. From table only we'll pick up, right, all the columns. That's why. Now what will be the next step here? I need to identify the record group. That record group contains a query. Okay. Now just go to record group here. Here is a place. Check. So under a record group, what is the LOV name? So this is the one here, see, valid payment types, right? This one, valid payment types. Click on this one. Okay, take this first. If not, then we may need to check others. So same thing, right? Let's say I would like to uncomment comment this. Now it is showing all the 5 values. So only this modified query we are going to keep. That's it. Now what is the next thing here? Record group name, what it is? Valid payment types. And this valid payment types is, sorry, record group contains here query. It is just a step-by-step here. Query we can keep in record group. Record group will attach to LOV. LOV attached to field. Field attached to block. Block it is attached to form. This is a reverse hierarchy it is. Okay. Now let's check record group LOV name again. This one I'm talking about. Minimize. LOV is LOV name. This one I already copied, right? Pay valid types. This one. Better use this. Straight away it will show you. Press F4. This is the one record group. So just before we missed this step, that's why I came back again. Okay. We'll see again. First time. First step is what it is. Go to help about Oracle applications and find out the form name and form path both. So till here only you have to use this path. All FMBs are available into one directory. The directory name is what it is. This directory, that is AU directory only. Fixed it is. All FMBs, irrespective of the module, all FMBs are available in this. Clear. The next step is what it is. Find out the form name and go to this particular directory and download the form. After downloading, what is the next step? You need to find out the block name first. How to find out the block name? Here only. Go to diagnostics, examine. This is a block name. After opening the form, you have to go to data blocks. Click on this data blocks. Block name is what it is. Pay some folder. Check pay some folder where it is here. And pay some folder. There are some items. Item is what it is. Payment type. Item is this field. This whatever the this type is appearing. It is a text, of course, but this field name is what it is. Payment type. But quick, whatever, quick, manual, these are all the values. Okay, but actually the field, this type is a text of field. The actually field is what it is. This one. This payment type. Okay. As of now, how many finds we discussed? One is form name, block name. The next is field. So this field will have a LOV, correct? Now that LOV name is what it is. Pay valid types. How we can identify field name? Go to form builder. Field name is payment type, correct? Press F4. You can see list of values, LOV. LOV is pay valid payment types. Is it clear? LOV name. Then this LOV is attached, or LOV will have a record group here. Now, first of all, you need to go to LOV section. These are all item section only. Separate LOVs will be available here, correct? Go to LOV. Now the LOV, by using this, you need to search. Now this LOV will have a Second step is what it is. The next step is record group. So press F4 only, property palette, and record group name is what it is, valid payment types. And this record group, again, you need to go to record group section here. And here is the place. Okay, it is not typed properly. Okay, this last one. Press F4, it will have a query. So this is the original query, because we may not aware what is the query written behind this. It is not visible. Definitely you need to go this way only to identify the query. Of course, we are not altering anything here, but which table, which field, what is the where condition, these are all we are not aware as of now. So because of this only we can identify. Now I'm asking you, what is the hierarchy? Tell me. First is what it is, form, right? Form may contains multiple blocks. Block may contain multiple items. Then item will have attached LOV. LOV will have here, correct, record group. Record group will have here, yeah, this is the, now you can easily understand, I know that, correct? I supposed to explain form development before this, but anyway, you can understand. Nowadays, form development we are not preferring. Compared to this OA framework, people dedicated team will be there in the company. They will take care. If you are aware of core Java, you also can become a OAF consultant. OAF consultants are dedicated will be there, but still if you know, that will be better. The front end we can use, we can design based on OA framework as well as form builder. Forms are, we can say, outdated almost, but still existing forms are there, right? Just to change this LOV, we cannot depend on the OA framework. Definitely you need to know. There is no other alternative. But if there is a new requirement, totally brand new, then we have to go with the OA framework. There is a Java developer will be there somewhere here. Java developer. You just, I think it, yeah, it's there here. Okay. If you have a time and patience, I can give you good videos or I can teach you also. But this is a separate entity again, Java developer. You must have knowledge and core Java. That is the reason why I did not tell you this form development initially, but still I'll give you the some knowledge how to design a form. Okay, fine. We are not diverting here. So the requirement, you know, clearly, the hierarchy, you know. So now next is what it is. Our form personalization steps will perform here. Go to help, same way. The navigation is same, whatever the module, whatever the form it is, navigation is same. Okay. Showing all pay values. Someone has done this. One minute. Okay, here. I'm just checking the group name they have given. Okay, then anyway, we'll also do that. Change payment LOV. The first is when it needs to change. The changes is the moment you open payment entry payments, it has to change. So definitely the trigger is what it is. When new form instance it is. Go to actions. First section is here. You need to, there are some built-ins here. Okay. Like ours is LOV, list of values name. So list of values name, we can say you already mentioned here. Pay valid payment types, but this we will not give. We will give our own group name, our own record group name. We are overriding the standard functionality here. So I already documented everything here. Just go this one along with the screenshots. We can change the LOV queries in personalization sample, everything. You just go through this document, not only video. Video is not required every time. So we are here. Almost see 3-4 pages over. We are here now. So step by step we can go. We'll see whether we missed anything. The first step is here. The description is payment type LOV, and these are all already given. Almost 4 pages over as of now. The next 4 pages. We are first. So we are here. Okay, in the actions. Now sequence number 10 or 1, whatever. The first thing is what it is, built-in. Okay, built-in LOV, list of values, optional. This is just a description. Okay, this description I'm talking about. This is an option. If you want to give, you can give. Now second one is which built-in we have to use here is there is a create record group from a query. If you go down, this built-in. So we are creating a record group by using a statement which we copied somewhere here. That's why it is. By reading also you can come to know. Create record group from this query. Okay, you can easily remember this. Now I need to keep a modified query here. So this is the query I'm keeping. Now validate this query. Just check. Maybe it is not identifying this, whatever the formatter plus. Okay. What you can do, you can remove this. I think slash is missed while copying, is it? Okay, I have missed this slash. Anyway, formatting is not required. Clear? Validate. Now, if it gives this note, okay, this note also I'll tell you in the next example how we can display these notes. This is just a note. Sometimes you'll get a warning message, error message. This is called as a pop-up message. It is. How we can pop up is you are going to know in the next example. Okay, group name. This is our own group name we have to give. So as of now, what was the group is there in our example group name? This one, correct? This group. Valid payment types. So this is a standard one, but we'll modify this. I'm giving here some XX kind of thing. Or any name, custom name it is. That's about the group name. Save. Now the second one, this group name, what we did here, group name, where we attach this group to which LOV, this LOV. Okay, take this LOV. Now second sequence, what you have to do, LOV. Okay, so LOV where it is available, property, then LOV. Clear? Property and target object on which LOV you are targeting. What is your original LOV name? Pay valid payment types. Now the group name is what it is. The standard one is valid payment types. What is our group name? Right, XX valid. This one we have to take it. Okay. Now, or if you want to get a value, you can get here. See, this is the, if you have not noted down earlier, you can simply click on get value is the original value. So you can override with our own by using XX and save. Again, you should not click get value. Get value means originally what it has. That it will give you, like save this. Then again validate if you want. It is good only. It is not having any syntax issues, nothing. Then save. Okay. The standard group name we have altered now with our own group. Clear? So our own group from where we have taken is in the previous, this group name. Close this and check whether it is affected or not. And out of 3 values here, right? We can make a default also. We can add one more property and we can make it default. That is another requirement if it is required. Let's see that first. Now, how many values it has to show? Cannot create a group. Something went wrong. It is not appeared properly. Okay, go to say syntactically something. I am going to say we are not able to map properly. Diagnostics. Colon. Okay, let's see. Someone has already done, right? We'll verify with the other people. Any difference you found? Same, right? Pay group name, GG pay group name. Okay, same only, right? Okay, property name is little different. Did you observe? Okay, just go here. Okay, that is also same. Okay, we'll verify once. I'm not sure where we have done correctly only. Check the second sequence. Property, object type LOV. Okay. Then pay valid payment types. Property name is group name. XX payment. Did we copy the same or typed it? This is for just to populate the default value. Okay. I think it should work. If not, we have to do again. Sometimes the single quotes also it will not recognize actually because we copied pasted, right? I'm just verifying field by field. Okay, this is for making a default value. We'll see once. Now it's showing, correct? I think whatever the group name we have given, right? XX something. So there is a space or underscore. I'm not sure. So that was the issue. Okay. Now, out of this 5 values, one must be as a defaultingly populated. Right now, what is defaultingly populated here? Quick. So instead of quick, what we need to do? We need to replace any other thing. Let's say refund. I would like to populate refund instead of selecting here. It has to populate automatically. So for this, there is another sequence we have to follow. As of now, your requirement is okay, but this additional point. Go to personalize. Now go to action. Third action we have to take here. Third action. So third action is property only. Now let me go. This one. Target object type is item here. Okay. Object type is item. Target object is, we have already copied here. There is a block name, right? In this block name, field name is here payment type. So pay some folder dot payment type it is. Block name dot field name we have to take. Okay. Go. So see, this is what it is. It's block, and this is field. Field, or we can say column name. In our terminology, it is a column name. Now you can click on this. So there are so many things are there here. You may get confused also. You have to verify here. Pay some folder dot field name. Just check. Or better type here. What is the field name? Payment type, right? Is this correct? Here, text prompt is there. Based on the prompt, also you can identify. See, this is the prompt. Text form prompt it is. What you have to do? Payment type. So there are so many payment types, but what is your block name? That is important. So this INV pay is another block. This adjustment block. Pay some folder. Flag is different. So you have to be careful while selecting. Otherwise, it will not work. So take this. Okay. Property name. There are so many properties. What you wanted to do? You wanted to increase the width of the field, or you want to change the name of the text prompt. So you just go through all the prompts, all the fields which are there here. You would like to update here. If you want to update something, or you can make it queryable. So press F11, control F11, that queryable, and you can make the field as mandatory. So, but right now I'm just making it as a say default value. There is another one. So property name is simply value. I would like to get a value of it. Just clicking on this value. It may be initial value. Also, we can take to populate, like, so in case of your requisition window and all, some cost will be populated automatically, right? So that is because of the property. It is property name is initial value. So right now it is value. Which value it has already? Get value, refund it is. So you can modify this. Okay. You can make it to other value, that is netting or manual also fine. Okay, let's check default value what it has. So it will be value default, is it? Initial value, nothing it has. So this is the way we can include. So whatever the output is showing, out of it one value we have to take. Clear? Just check. Did we miss anything? Nothing. These are all the screenshots. I'll make it to PDF so you cannot see this. Accept. Go. payments. It is showing here. Okay, it is manual. Clear? What we can do, we can remove this both. Okay, it will be revision, just for revision only. I'm deleting here. Okay. It's a big, right? Lengthy explanation, but quickly we can do. First is the requirement is changing LOV. Okay, we have to first identify the form name, in which form you are going to modify. So form name is what it is here. Go to help on about Oracle applications. You can check here form name and path. All forms are available into, there is a directory. The directory name is what it is, AU. Okay. Now the hierarchy in the notepad I explained you, I don't need to explain. Otherwise you'll get confused. Okay. Now next step is what it is, personalization straight away. Personalization, you have to go to diagnosis, custom code, personalize. Then first step is what it is. You can write anything. Okay. Payment, LOV change. Now here all the requirements we are doing with one single rule only. This is called as a rule here. Rule section. Okay. So first what I need to select here, built-in. The built-in for LOV is which built-in I have to use, record group from a query, and argument place. What we are doing here, we are creating a custom record group from a query. The query I already picked up from a form right here somewhere. In this record group I have picked up, correct? Yeah, whatever. You wanted to see or not required? If you wanted to see, then first you need to take this valid payment types. Yeah, it's there already. Click on this. This is the statement. It looks simple statement, but sometimes you can say lengthy. That's okay. Only you have to modify the query. This is the query. I just disabled this condition. That's enough. I did not do anything. You can use this. Now next, that query we have to keep here. Group name you have to mention. Most probably the existing group, same here, group. You can keep here like this. Now second one is what is, you have to copy this group. Okay, copy the group name. Go to second one. So now what I need to do here, property. Which property? LOV property. It's not for a window or block or whatever, radio buttons. So we have to take here list of values. So target object. We already noted down earlier the block name dot field name, correct? That we have to take. If you are not able to know, okay, target object here is initially it has, right? Pay valid. What was your LOV here? This LOV. Pay valid payment types. Clear? Now, group name which you already copied, that you have to copy paste. Now, third one is what we did. That is also a property, but that is a default value it is. So on which block your field is there here? That is pay sum folder. You can use payment type, this one. Property name is what it is. You have to get initial value, what it has. Initially, so that we can override with your your own way. Own way means like you have to give same value, otherwise you will not be able to recognize. From this list only you have to copy paste. So I'm taking here manual save. So this is what we can do. So overall it has three things here. Close. So it's manually already there and it has 5 values. So this is the way we can change the LOV. Clear? Now fourth one here is display pop-up messages. Shall I tell in the next class or now only? This also will take time like this. Okay, we can take it. It's already late, right? Some online people. Guys, shall I continue or what?
Yeah.
Shall I continue?
It's better to take tomorrow.
Okay. So till now, any doubts, Dipali? Mamata?
No, sir.
After many days you came, is it?
I'm not like that, sir. I'm hearing. I'm attending all the classes, just missed only one class.
Okay, okay. So I'm ending the session. Any queries, guys? ఇలాంటివి ఇచ్చినా చేస్తారు కదా form personalizations. I'll give you some more examples as I okay. Okay, guys, thank you.
Thank you.